Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you what a work order looks like when it already has an asset assigned, and how you can edit or change that asset if it was selected incorrectly. Let's start by opening this work order here. Once the work order is open, you'll see the asset field below. This section shows that the asset that is currently associated with the work order, including the asset type, the make, model, and name. The assigned asset helps ensure the work order is linked to the correct equipment, trade, and service history. Vendors and internal teams rely on this information to understand what equipment they are servicing. If you notice that the wrong asset was selected, you can edit it directly from the work order. To do that, click Edit Asset, and from here, you'll see a list of all assets associated with the same location. You can select a different asset from the drop-down, change to another asset type if applicable. And once you click on that, you just need to click change and click OK. And it'll be changed to the correct asset. This is especially helpful if a similar looking asset was selected by mistake, the wrong unit number or equipment type was chosen, or the work order was created quickly and needs correction. Editing the asset on existing work order is quick and easy, and it helps keep your data accurate. So always take a moment to review the asset before and after making changes.